in the area. It's honey like glasses. There you go.
Haji.
Oh my gosh, Duncan. Guys, maybe some food. And he's looking for they forget because he wanted to go. And he got cool glasses on.
He's got cool glasses on.
Yep. And there was a rabbit. 10 cats. And you got a girl and a boy.
Mm-hmm.
Girl and a boy.
Mm-hmm. Looks like they're friends.
Yep. And they were so bored.
They were so bored.
Yep. And they were dinging, dinging, dinging.
Digging
Yep. In the sand.
in the sand.
And there was a nose hurt right here.
Uh-oh, he hurt his nose.
Yep. Right,
Uh-oh.
right there.
Yep, that looks like it hurt.
And because her nose didn't hurt. And because he wasn't mayhem.
Uh-huh.
And now his nose didn't hurt. And a dinging to it. Ew.
Ew.
And hey, there wasn't a girl.
That's a girl.
No, there two girls.
That's a boy. That's a girl. But if you think they're both girls, that's awesome too.
Yep. Wait, that's his mom.
Oh, that's his mom.
Yep. And look, he did a great job. Wow, they make it do.
Yeah, they did a great job.
And he was looking at all the animals and the cow. Moo, moo, moo.
It's a donkey. It says hee-haw, hee-haw.
Hee-haw, hee-haw. Boy, girl.
Hmm.
And he was for him.
Oh.
And he said, "You want to wait for us?" Oh. The Krabby Krabby was old. And to freak out
Oh, he freaked out?
because the crab.
It's a scorpion.
Yep. Was a freak out because they don't like them.
Nope, they really don't.
There is a up down and up down. And there wasn't. And they really.
Yeah, there's a snake. It looks like they're scared of the snake.
Yep. But the boy to the next.
Yeah, they're like far away from the snake. They don't want to mess with that.
And say, bye-bye. I see you soon. And there was two moms. And it was named Auntie Mommy because he wanted them. And then he was having lovely girls in it. And he was making a castle with a what?
Oh, it's a very good castle.
And he was staying that far. And to say, "Ow, ow, moon, good night."
Ow, ow,
Ow,
ow!
ow, 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 ow.
Ow, ow, ow,
Ow,
ow!
ow, ow. And he to say, bye-bye. I see you. That's all owl right there.
Was that the end?
Yep.
Good job, Emma.